Very good afternoon, YouTube. And it really is afternoon. It's just literally gone 12 p.m. This is now my 100th subscriber special. So yeah, I thank you guys for giving me 100 subscribers. I did mention that my target subscribers was 100, and I've now reached it. So this is going to be my special video. So of course, when I started, I used one of my I uploaded one of my older videos that I did on my iPod, which was of the lifts at Chichester Station, the standard lifts. That was really young. And then I uploaded a couple of my dad's footage of me actually. That he trains at York, Derby. I think Stoke-on-Trent as well, but I don't actually remember. And then I started going on to making my own videos. I actually started making them. The first ones I started doing was so I started doing hand dryer videos. I got a lot of Alex Ellis, but one day my parents noticed I'd uploaded hand dryer videos onto YouTube, and they weren't too happy about it, and that kind of put me off from doing hand dryer videos again. So that's why I stopped doing that. Yeah, Alex Ellis done the same because it's just not right really filming in toilets. So I'm the same, and I noticed Alex Ellis done the same as well. So yeah, I'm not the only one. So obviously then I think I started filming trains as well. Started filming trains for YouTube. I think one of the videos I can remember very well from the start of YouTube is the 377 out into Portsmouth Harbour, where I was standing in the door vestibule area, and I was filming all the alarms and all the different door controls, like open and close, and even all the just train interiors. Because someone like me, actually, I've got good attention to detail, and that's quite common for someone like me. Because I'm Aspergic. I have Asperger's, and I'm partly a little bit autistic. And that's what really gave me his interest, really, trains and lifts. So yeah, of course, I started filming lifts for YouTube. I had actually started uploading, making lift videos actually on my iPod when I was young. Which I was inspired by that off of like people like Benno, who back then, but actually he was, Benno just started to the best videos ever, and I still like him today, and that's what encouraged me to start filming lifts. And the first lift I filmed was actually the standard lifts at Chichester Station, which was my first video on YouTube. So back then, I wasn't really that popular. I had my friends in school subscribing, and then I managed to get like up to 53 subscribers like a couple of years later, from actual YouTubers. Yes, yeah. Also, then I started filming my other interests around that time as well, such as speakers, fountains, fans. I don't do much, and gadgets, which is really that's what the gadget bit stands for in the channel. So that's one of my interests, gadgets, which includes lifts, by the way. That's what the gadget bit stands for, Gadget Boy 313. So yeah, that's all I have to say really vlog-wise. What this video is going to be, that you're about to see in a second, will be tour for lifts in my home county of West Sussex. So yeah, tour lifts in a whole county, all the ones that I've filmed. So what it's going to be here in my hometown of Bognor Regis, Chichester, Worthing, Horsham and all that. And you'll see a couple of my lift tours put in there. One thing though, I'm going to have to do some parts, because my channel's on a 15-minute video limit, upload limit. So unfortunately, they have to be in all separate parts. But still, there's all one lift tour of my entire county. Yeah, the reason I don't increase it to half an hour videos is because you have to in the videos you have to actually own the. Actually, no, I won't say. I won't say. That's what I have to say for you guys. So on the lift tour, thank you guys for 100 subscribers. That means a lot. All right, bye. See you soon.
Please excuse me.
Okay.
Please excuse me.
I do excuse you. I do excuse you. One going round.
Not me, but sorry.
Maybe wait for it to come back up.
Yeah, when the greenhouse stops, that actually means it's stopped. And when it starts moving, it means the lift's moving.
Right.
Yeah. Makes sense, really, doesn't it?
Yeah. I guess.
I also heard the voice to say doors closing. So it should come up in a minute. It is too. Yeah, it counts. Yep, see.
Oh no.
It's fine.
Thank you.
She's had treatment and Bobby.
Mind the door.
Oh, no, no.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors opening.
This one's on ground. Oh. Why ain't it moving? Oh, crap, that one's went up. No, that's the floors. That's the floors. That one ain't moving whatsoever.
I'm a div.
There it's moving now. 3. Yeah. Stopped. That was on 2. That was on 3. Yeah, it was a coming, they moved. That one's gone up to 4. They just hated it, but yeah. You get that good, don't you? Come on. Wait. Heavily used. Touch engine. Hang on. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Come on.
You can sit down and walk.
G. Ah, see near the air now. Look. We're lower ground. Look at me for. People going off on the ground floor. Oh, hello, sounds good. Very lightly touched it.
It's Harry Potter's luggage.
Oh, there it is.
I'll start as I mean now.
I'm going to 1, if I may.
Right.
Thank you. Sweet.
There's music in there. Oh no, there's disco bus.
This one's the there we go, dear one. Where are we going?
4 please.
You going? You going?
That's fine, she's doing herself.
I know. We'll get her next one.
Yeah, sure. Is this it, yeah?
Floor 7, yeah. Did you realize it's actually gone up 7 floors? Make that one go down. That's the hotel. That's the hotel rooms. That is. It's not going down. Hang on, where you going? Where you going? Please be that one. Yes, this one. This one.
That's the very top bit, isn't it? Where it's more smaller. Shut up! It really doesn't know taste in music.
We're getting off here, by the way.
What are we at there?
Second.
Oh, God, I'm scared now.
Floor 0.
Can we look around downstairs? I really want to see what's down there. Is that okay?
Right.
If we look around downstairs, because I don't guess what's down there.
Look down. It's gone away the doors.
What's the doors? I did that last time. Is that on camera? So we think my cool
This is meant to be my better video here. I've done a video of this before, but I might make this better. Okay, yeah, now it's got a longer delay on the doors to what it used to. As you can see.
And
Check this out.
Mind the doors.
This is the lift at the new Next in Bognor Regis. It's a techno lift.
Floor. Mind the doors.